Hello there, welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can delete your Google Chrome's history in your PC, in your desktop. To do this, you first have to open your browser. Now you can see I'm on my browser Chrome. Then here you will got a three dot option. From here you have to find more tools. Sorry, this is not more tools. Here you can see the history section, and you can easily do it Control H by pressing Control H. Click on the history. We get into the history section. Now here you can see a lot of search history, watch history is listed here. If you want to delete this, in the left side you'll find clear browsing data section. Now I'm clicking on this clear browsing data section. It will send me to the website of from where you can delete it. Now here there's two ways of deleting history. First way is basic and second way is advanced. If you want to delete browsing, item, history, cookies, caches, password, your saved password, site setting, etc., everything you can clear or delete from here. But if you just want to delete the browsing history, cookies, and other site, then you can use this. Now I'm gonna delete the basic things. I'm gonna click on the clear data section. Everything done. Now if you come here and see, the histories are cleared, but not all, because I just cleared the basic settings. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel.